friends, today we have an adverse weather situation here at Kitchener. There is a freezing rain alert since 6 a.m. in the morning, so it was too windy since then, along with freezing rain. So look at how the ice has formed on the balcony rails. This is again the ice on the glass. You can also check out the ice that's formed on the floor. Freezing rain is nothing but the snow that falls down starts to melt and comes down as a rain instead of snow. So in another 1 hour we are expected to have some ice pellet rain as well. So it's been too windy. You can see our wind chimes. Few parts flew away. And it's very cold here. So what you're seeing above is also ice. So now you can imagine how freezing the temperature is. Right now it is minus 12. So this climate is very dangerous. We have to be very careful while we drive or walk. Ice that gets formed on the pathway as well as the highways are very risky. Ice makes the road very slippery, so it's accident prone. So we have to be very careful. That's where we have a weather advisory as well as travel alert. I'll try to record as much as possible today to show you how the weather transitions from freezing rain into ice pellet rain as well as snow. So for now I'm going to get back inside because it's too cold and windy. We didn't have an ice pellet rain, but it rained very heavily. Right now the rain has stopped and we could expect snow anytime. Check out the ice on all the vehicles and trees. So the roads have really turned slippery. You could see the ice in the Walmart parking lot. These are the pictures I took after the rain stopped. It looks like it snowed, but it's actually the ice on the trees.